As Domino Printing Sciences celebrates its 40th anniversary in 2018, members of our Digital Printing Solutions division are also celebrating special milestones with the business. With 2,700 employees worldwide, the business fully recognises that it is its people who have enabled Domino to be a successful and leading player in the printing industry. Our success is based on our remarkable people and their attitude to work.
The printing industry is the friendliest industry that I've ever worked in, and I love meeting our customers and working with so many lovely and interesting colleagues from all around the world.
What makes Domino a really wonderful place to work is the people who create such an incredible team spirit which truly embodies the Domino Do More philosophy.
Customers are always at the very center of our business, and the team must know and does know that dedication, commitment, energy and urgency are the key for success, as we are already demonstrating.
What remains constant within the Domino digital printing team is the great sense of teamwork that exists. We are like one big happy family. Troubleshooting is part of my role, listening to the issues customers are facing and then urgently finding solutions for them. This can be challenging, but leaving customers with a smile on their face and receiving the acknowledgement that they made the right decision to purchase a Domino, which helps them fulfill their commitments, is the best feeling there is.
In the European Digital Printing Group, project managers and account managers help each other out wherever they can. Together we're a better team. We all know that through teamwork, Domino can reach the best results for our customers.
I'm proud to work for Domino and be part of a team that's united and committed in its efforts to do more for our customers.
This number says everything. The pleasure to work with such nice people. To be in a company which actively supports and contributes to the development in competence of its employees, always extending its product portfolio, and above all, the great sense of teamwork.
It is a business that empowers its workforce to achieve outstanding results and strongly invests in training and developing its workforce. Within the Digital Printing Solutions division, we have such a strong and closely knit commercial and technical team. In particular, our large European team still has that small business feel to it, whereby any one of us would go out of our way to help our colleagues. The team has a winning mentality along with vast amounts of energy and enthusiasm.
The knowledge, the commitment, the customer care I have witnessed around the world is what makes Domino different from its competitors. My 35 years plus journey with Domino is full of great memories, both personal and professional. I am pleased to have been part of and witnessed the birth and growth of a major worldwide industrial printing company.
At Domino, in everything we do more.